What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's Rihanna and Niece. So I haven't vlogged in a little while, so I wanted to just hop on here and let you guys know how Gigi and I are doing. We're on our way to our regular Wednesday play date. To our channel, welcome. I make mommy and baby videos, conscious parenting videos, so welcome. Usually on Wednesdays we go to our breastfeeding group, but Gianna is now 9 months, and our little baby group around the same age as her, we've all aged out of the hospital group that we all met at, so we just started our own little group. So we're about to go meet up today together at Play Street Museum. It's this really cool museum where basically they build these little like kid-sized cities. They have different themes. The one we're going to right now, I believe, has a farm. I think it's like the farmhouse or the farm. Guys, I have finally stopped doing car snacks. I really need to get this weight under control. Thank God I'm breastfeeding and it burns so many calories, because the way I'm eating right now, I literally should be like 400 pounds, like for real. About 40 minutes from the house, and there's like really bad traffic, so we're not even moving right now. But we're making our way down to the museum. But I wanted to have a little mom chat today about stay-at-home moms versus working moms. I notice this always like comes up in discussion on social media. You'll have a lot of, people bashing stay-at-home moms, like they don't contribute to their family, like it's not 1950 anymore. Why are people staying at home with their kids? And then you'll see, the reverse to that, like some stay-at-home moms might bash working moms, like you don't spend enough time with your kids, you don't even know your kids are wild because you don't take care of them, etc., etc. Me personally, I think the world needs both. I think the point of like women's suffrage and women's rights is for us to be able to pick that. And I hope that America continues to be a place where a man or a woman can go to work full time and one parent can stay at home with the kids. I believe if that's something you want to do, it should be available for you to do. All of that being said, I want to get into like what I want to talk about in regards to that. So I have this homegirl, right? We're cool. She's a single mom. I'm a married mom. Stay at home, but I also do real estate. I do my thing. I don't work outside of the home full time, but I do work, and I had lent her some money, about $300, I'd say about 6 months ago. Now, $300 is not like a ton of money. Like, I would obviously like sue somebody over $300, but that's a lot of money. My mama always told me never lend money that you can't give away. So, I haven't really been bugging her about the money, because I rarely lend people money, because this is what happens. You don't get it back. But I finally brought it up to her. And I hate having to bring up money that you owe me. Like, you should be contacting me about that. But anyways, I hit her up. I was like, hey, did you forget, because I knew tax time was coming around. No, she's one of those that gets a refund and stuff like that. So I'm like, okay, you're getting this big refund. You only owe me $300. It should be very easy to peel me off 3 bills. And we remain good Judies, right? She gets to telling me sob story after sob story about why she doesn't have the $300. But then she goes on to say, we don't all have husbands like that. I need my money. How do you know what goes on in our household or what I do with my money? And then she's like, yeah, you're a stay-at-home mom. You just have play money. You don't really need that money. You don't know what I got going on over here. You don't know what we're trying to build over here. Because I don't go to a regular 9 to 5 doesn't mean I don't have my own things going on. So I just thought that was super rude and just like very entitled. I want to hear y'all's thoughts on that. Like, if you have a friend that's a stay-at-home mom, or maybe like you just know her husband takes good care of things, is that gonna make you like disrespect her personal funds? You never count anyone else's coins. I have a lot of friends that have a lot more disposable income than I have. When we go to lunch or if we go shopping or something, I've never in my life expected them to pick up a check. To me, that would give me the creeps, like to even think like that about somebody, especially my personal friend. So I don't know, it just rubbed me the wrong way. So I'm putting that friend on ice. I've been putting a lot of friends on ice. I'm actually going to be making a video soon about how to break up with a narcissistic friend. So if you guys are interested in that type of video, drop a comment below. I will see you guys at the museum. Play Place Museum was absolutely perfect. The kids had such a good time. There was a little market for them to pretend to shop in. There was a boat. There was a world map, little cabins. Everything was kid-sized and super cute and super educational. Playdates are super important because you can teach your child how to share, how to get along with others, and how to interact with other kids their age. All the employees there made sure everything stayed super clean. If one of the babies put a toy in their mouth, you set it aside and it goes into a sanitation area. We will definitely be coming back to this Play Place Museum. We loved it here. Guys, so we made it home. We're in the neighborhood. We had such a good time. I love that place. I want to build like a playroom like that for her, like a little baby city or something. Like, some of the other moms didn't show up today because it's raining and it's ugly out, so I don't blame them. Gigi really enjoyed herself. She is knocked out back there. Like, she's totally knocked out. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Comment down below if you are a stay-at-home mom or you are a working mom, like a work outside the home mom. Comment down below because we all know it takes a village, right? So we will see you guys on the next one. Bye.